Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting USB tethering right now. First, unlock the iPhone and plug it into the computer with a trusted Lightning cable. Once done, open Settings and tap Personal Hotspot to enable it. This authorizes the phone to share its cellular connection. Make sure cellular data is on so the hotspot can deliver internet. If a prompt asks to trust this computer, choose Trust and enter your passcode. That step establishes the secure USB link required for tethering to work. Once the phone is connected and trusted, switch to your computer to accept the new network interface. On Windows, open Network Connections and locate the iPhone USB adapter. On Mac OS, open Network Preferences and select the iPhone USB entry. Make sure the interface is set to obtain IP automatically, DHCP, so the phone hands out an address. If you see multiple active adapters, temporarily disable Wi-Fi to force use of the USB link. Finally, to finish, confirm the browser loads pages and that basic services work. This verifies the tunneling of internet over USB. If there's no connectivity, first toggle Personal Hotspot off and on, then unplug and replug the cable. Sometimes simply unlocking the phone again resolves it. If problems persist, reboot the computer and iPhone, and on Windows check for iPhone driver updates. Remember, the trust prompt and up-to-date drivers are frequent failure points. Addressing those usually restores USB tethering quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.